Here's another successful AG panel roll forming machine project in the USA. After installation, the machine has been running steadily in the customer's factory, delivering consistent production performance. The finished AG roof panels come out with clean, uniform profiles and reliable forming quality, while the stable operation helps maintain high production efficiency. Looking for a reliable metal roofing roll forming machine? Contact us today and let's build your production solution.
The machine works good. I appreciate the customer service. Answered all my questions, and I hope it holds up for a long time. This company has good customer service and a good price.